Hi guys, welcome to my video again. Today I've got something very different. I drove to Southampton for about 2.5 hours just to get my new dog. It is a boy. It's very cute. Come here. Just wanted to show you my new dog. Oh, now he's acting really shy. Come here. Go on, go play. Go play, come here. I nicknamed him Slappy Paws because when he runs, he slaps his paws against the ground. Come here. Come here. Or sometimes he slaps his paws against the ground. I just wanted to show you my new dog. There's his little cage with his bed, his water bowl, his food bowl there. I just wanted to show you my new dog. His name is Winsten. 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 Come here, Bubba. Here he is. Ooh, don't want to take my camera. I need your paws. I need your paws. Give me your paws. I need you to stand up. Good boy. Oh, he's lovely. That's really just wanted to show you my pet dog. He's half French Bulldog, half Pug. Well, quarter French Bulldog and three-quarter Pug. So yeah, that's really it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.